wave them high. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue.
Hi everyone, welcome to Red Elephant Art Club. I have a real fun project for you today, and it's all been inspired by this book, When Spring Comes. And I don't know about you, but I am ready for spring. I am so tired of snow. We are going to make a flower bouquet, a spring flower bouquet, and I'll tell you about all the supplies you're going to need in just a minute. So I'll see you right when I get back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so the supplies you're going to need today for the kids are some markers. I want you to have some different sizes of Sharpies. This one's an ultra fine point. This one's a fine point, and this is a chisel tip. And it's not, you don't necessarily have to have this, but it will give the children more options to be able to draw their flowers. And then you can either choose between just regular markers or some watercolors. So you guys can decide. So I just want to give the children an opportunity to have different kind of mediums to use, you know, to have a chance to use different types. So you guys can decide which one you'd like to use. I think I am probably going to use watercolors, but we're going to all start with a ultra fine point marker. All right, so I'll see you back in just a moment. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so what we're going to do is a flower bouquet, spring flower bouquet. And if you have one of these, you can also give the children a copy of this so they can get different ideas how to do different flowers. But what we're going to do is when we draw our flowers, we're going to have them overlap. Okay, so just have them just kind of do their some different types of flowers. I'll do this one really fast so I can show you what I mean. I'm going to just go around and around here for my first flower. All right, there's my first flower. But for the next one, I want to go like it's behind it. So I'm going to do another one right here. And so just keep having the children overlap them so there's not a lot of just random empty spaces. And then you can also have them draw in some vines like this, some leaves, maybe some little flowers at the end like this. And then you'll do another one over here, and it can be different types of flowers. I'm going to put like a tulip over here. Right? And just have them make different designs. That one sheet that I just gave you will help you have some ideas how to come up with some fun flower designs. Now, I think I'll put another one right here. Kind of messed up right there, but that's all right. I'll cover it up somehow. All right. I'm just going to keep going here and just keep working on mine, and then I'll be back in just a minute and show you what I did. Okay, I'm back. So I wanted you to just kind of take a look what I've done. You can see I kind of filled up the whole page, and like they can fill in some of the spaces with some little curly things like little vines and things, and I added hearts and just different designs, a little patch of little flowers, big flowers, small flowers. And so then what I want you to do is give them a bigger marker and then go back, and you don't want them to do this on all of them, but just to randomly fill in a few of the spaces to give it some depth and just variety on their page. And just maybe tell them just to do some of the small designs that they did so it doesn't overwhelm with all black. Just like that, okay? And I'll be right back, and then I can show you what you can do with the thicker marker. Okay, be right back. I'm back. So you can see I just kind of randomly added some marker to some of the small spaces. And now I'm going to take this larger chisel tip marker, and I'm going to go around some of the other things just to try to give it just a different look. All right, so I'm going to do like this. And I'm going to go around, maybe I might go around one of these. Anyway, I will be right back and show you what I did. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I just kind of went around just some random places, and now the next thing to do is to color it. So I'm going to use watercolors. I found these really fun kind of watercolors online. So I'm going to try this today. Say they're like this, and then it has this paintbrush here. So I'm going to try that. But you guys can give the children markers, regular just colored markers, or you can get them some the tube watercolors and paintbrushes if you like. You guys decide. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I will see you back in a few minutes. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just wanted you to notice I didn't color everything in, and it's probably better that I didn't. See, left some things white, and that's probably maybe just the kind of technique that I wanted to use this time. So you just let the kids be creative, but it's okay if they don't color everything in. All right, I hope you guys really enjoyed this project. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and make a comment down below. Okay, until next time, thanks so much. Bye-bye.